What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Renee and today I'm going to be coming back with some more information about the Vitamix. So I just unboxed it and I wanted to show you guys how to clean it. This is the High Performance A Series Vitamix blender, which I'm really excited to have. Definitely 10 out of 10, but I wanted to show you guys how to clean it and how easy it is. It actually is self-cleaning. It has a button right on here, kind of looks like soap, and I'll do a tight little zoom in. But you hit that and you're able to clean it with just a little bit of dish soap and some hot water. So I'm gonna grab my hot water and just get straight into it and show you guys how to clean it. All right, so I got my hot water that I heated up over there on the stove, and I'm just gonna pour it right in here. And then I'm gonna add a drop of soap, a couple drops, right? Tap back on, nice and snug. We don't want any accidents where the water is like going crazy, right? And then I have it already plugged in. I'm gonna hit that soap bubble there, and then I'm going to turn it down to level, dial it down to level 1. And then you kind of gradually go up, and then push start. So I let that go for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go up to level 3, a little bit higher. And honestly, I imagine you can probably do something like this with many other blenders. And let's take it up to level 6. Level 10 is the highest. Oh, that seems like a bit much. Let's stop at 9. So it was really working those bubbles, and you'll notice as it goes, it was actually feeling hotter. Like I think it was heating it up a little bit, which is great because we know hot kind of cleanses some bacteria and germs and stuff. So that's good. I had some great power. I didn't want to go up to 10 because I kind of shook at 10. Probably better for like ice and things. But really great, got it nice and clean, and then I'm just gonna rinse it out and it's good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode on how to keep your Vitamix clean. If you wanna see my unboxing, you can click the link above to watch that. I also have a video about how I make my super nutrient-rich lentil soup. Really great any time of year. Also really great for food prepping. So I'm gonna go ahead and post that video in a link above and also in the description below. That's definitely an option for you. And thank you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. Bye.